The Cuisinart Hurricane Compact Blender is the perfect tool in the kitchen to make your favorite drinks. How about an icy matcha latte? Something that if you go to the store is going to cost you big bucks. When you can make it here at home with just 4 simple ingredients, a little honey or agave, some matcha ice, and rice milk, you can make this beautiful icy treat. With all of the ingredients in my travel cup, it's ready to blend. And all I have to do is take the blades off of the 32-ounce or 1-liter BPA-free Triton jar, and you'll see these stainless steel blades. That's what gets all the action, all the chopping, all the grinding action. I simply put it into the top. It's great because it's interchangeable. I can switch it between the 2 travel cups and that big 32-ounce jar. Now this is a 16-ounce travel cup or 500 milliliters, 2 cups. Perfect for any day. Let's start blending. In less than a minute, this icy matcha latte is ready to serve. I'm going to remove the 4-pronged stainless steel blades and set those aside. Now I've got 2 options. I've got a resealable lid that keeps it airtight. I can use it to put it in the fridge or tuck it in my bag on the go. Or this one, the travel cup lid, which simply screws on tight, and then I'm able to reseal it or have a sip. Enjoy.